Okay, guys. Well, got the spark plug wires in. Frame part somebody has it etched right there, which matches on the manifold, which matches what I looked up on my handy dandy computer. It's got everything plugged in. We're gonna get it on the lift here in a little bit. I'll get the ground, the oil pressure sensor in. We'll get the starter hooked up and try getting the crank a little bit later this afternoon. Got Bobby to weld that. Cool. I'm gonna put some Teflon, liquid Teflon on there. Get that back on. So that'll be all done too. So we're getting there little by little bit. One, we know we came by. We talked to you about what we were looking for. Gave you the part numbers too. We'll be calling this afternoon. I forgot about some junkyards in National City, Chula Vista area, San Diego County. So we'll give them a call a little bit later so we can find those, because we got to break in this motor. So hopefully a little bit later this afternoon we'll have it on lift, get everything underneath tidied up, starter, wiring down there. Go ahead and drop the trans pan, put a filter, gasket, put fresh fluid in it, and start breaking this motor in. So that's where we're at, guys.